Today, take a look at the Narbell cordless hot glue gun. So there's a very large trigger, which is excellent. You got the supply hole right there, and we got a little window there on the side so we can see how it is moving. Power button on the top. I do like they got this plastic ring on here so we don't have to worry about burning our fingers if we get too close. Touch the tip, you still will, but the tip is mostly concealed. And we got our charging port on the bottom that is USB-C. You got a whole bunch of sticks of glue. And we got our charging cable, so USB-A to USB-C. So I'm going to start out by inserting some glue. And we'll turn it on. There we go. We got our indicator light right there on the bottom so we know that it is on. And that's neat. There's actually a little red light in there. So oh, wow, look at that. So it turns green so we know it is hot. That actually heated up real quick. So finally a bead, I'm just going to put the nozzle where I want it and pull the trigger. That's nice. It actually comes out as a fairly fine stream on here, so it's not a super thick stream like a USM hot glue gun, so it's going to be good for like a lot more precision work. So now I'll go ahead and shut that off. And there we go. That is holding on nice and tight. One of the greatest things about hot glue is just how quick you can apply it and then use it right away. So yeah, overall, that is a very nice tool.